Ken and Barbie. There's Barbie. Good morning from the Trollstigen camp. We are heading towards Trollstigen Resort, where there's that famous troll on a motorcycle. We'll be taking some pictures, and we'll be on our way to the Wild Atlantic Road out towards Trondheim. So we'll be going over these little islands towards Kristiansund, and there's this beautiful long bridge that allows you to hop over these tiny little islands. So we'll be doing that later on, and we'll be then camping in Trondheim. The weather is looking pretty cloudy, lots of heavy clouds around. It was raining up until a few minutes ago. It has stopped, so we'll take this opportunity to get going. Bye bye Ken and Barbie log cabin. There's a troll shop. You. So we got talking to the guy that works in the troll shop. He's French. He comes here in the summer to help out at the shop during busy times, despite this year being a bit quieter, he says. And he gives a lovely tip. He says to go visit the Troll Wall. I think the legend has it that the trolls were sitting, or standing perhaps, on top of this mountain. The sunrise turned them into stone, and they've been there ever since. So we'll go and see the Troll Wall. It's The Troll Wall was standing in all its glory right in front of us. What a view! Unfortunately, the Troll Wall cap was covered with the thickest of clouds, and the trolls that had turned into stone, well, they were not going anywhere anytime soon. So, we will for definite come back to see them another time. But for now, let's go ahead north to the Atlantic Road.
I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough.
We are heading to Mulde from Vestnes, so we're leaving Trollstigen behind, and we're making our way to the Atlantic Road, and final destination Trondheim. So we'll be taking the ferry across to Mulde, bit of traffic there. Should clear up fairly soon once everyone gets on the ferry. Where are they pointing us, I wonder? Do we have to wait?
Time wasting. They have to make money. No time wasting. They have to make money.
on our way to Molde. See. This is the Atlantic Road. Gotta go over the bridge. It's the Atlantic Road. We're gonna do over the bridge and then we might come back around. We'll see how it goes. So we're very close to the Atlantic Road and a couple more minutes to go. It's a road that was on my bucket list of to-dos. It's a bridge that touches multiple islands and allows you to ride over them. So it's a very scenic route and definitely one sought after destination for motorcyclists. We're nearly there now, enjoy!
Floating in the sky, I'm high above the world I used to know. And I'm far from any danger, safe from any failure. Guarded, I found shelter in the storm. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds. In the blue, where I can't be found. Was a soldier in the legions, fought against the demons, fought against the monsters made of gold. But they stormed across Arcadia, following the nature, washed away the place I once called home. I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds. In the blue, where I can't be found. I'm hiding in the blue. But I'm still so stuck on what used to be. Made a prison out of my mind. Watch life as it goes by. Battle scarred my own worst enemy. I'm hiding in the blue.